customers on platform 1. The next train does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
Now to the event cinemas lift. These are some DEVE-Schindler hydros. Try to film it, but people were trying to honk the button. Let's go downstairs because there's no lift on this level. You could just access it through strand bags. That could be an option. But no, they make you go up a ramp. B1M. So go up. Oh wow, this is small. DEVE-Schindler, unfortunately with a replaced indicator. Stop button. No. No. Oh yeah, it's nice, it's smooth. B1M. Basement 1 mezzanine. Salient buttons, which is nice. Stop. Oh, call cancels. Oh wow. Okay, it still works. I was scared that I'm gonna get in trouble. There's no cameras, so hopefully they don't get me in trouble. BIM or B1M? Have you? Oh, 1M. Salient, it's nice. This one is pretty nice, but it's creepy in here because it's really small. I was scared when the door froze like that. And that's it.